get when a smartphone giant builds an electric SUV and gives it the silhouette of a Ferrari? You get the Xiaomi YU7, the newest weapon in China's EV revolution. It's bold, fast, and ridiculously packed with tech. And in case you missed it, it was presented on June 26th and got nearly 300,000 pre-orders in a single hour. 200,000 of it in 3 minutes. But does it actually live up to the hype? Or is this just a Ferrari Purosangue wannabe wrapped in shiny software? Let's break down the pros, the cons, what the YU7 means for the future of EVs, and whether it really deserves that Ferrari-inspired swagger. Let's start with what Xiaomi nailed. Jaw-dropping value. The YU7 starts at just 253,500 yen, or around 35,000 USD. That undercuts the Tesla Model Y by several $1,000s, while offering more range, more tech, and more style. Serious performance. The top-of-the-line version packs up to 508 kilowatts of power. That's nearly 680 horsepower, and rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.23 seconds. Flagship tech everywhere. From the mini LED 16.1-inch infotainment screen to NVIDIA's Thor autonomous driving chip to the Xiaomi HyperOS connecting it to your phone and smart home. The YU7 feels more like a gadget on wheels than a traditional car. Premium features: massage seats, mini fridge in the back, panoramic roof, Dolby Atmos audio, and full recline lounge mode in the rear. It's all here. No range anxiety. The top trim claims up to 835 kilometers of range. That's CLTC, of course, but still impressive. Real world? Expect 500 to 700. Still, that's more than a Model Y or even a Mercedes EQE SUV. Of course, no car is perfect, especially one this ambitious. Still China only. For now, the YU7 is only available in China. If you're in Europe, the US, or anywhere else, sorry, you're just a spectator. Real-world range reality. CLTC test cycles are generous. Most people will see significantly less than the claimed 835 kilometers. It's still good, but just don't expect to break records on a full charge. New kid on the block. Xiaomi is still new to automotive manufacturing. The SU7 sedan had some early quality issues, and while the YU7 is more refined, the brand still has to prove long-term reliability. Brand perception. This is still the company known for budget phones, and convincing buyers that they now build luxury vehicles is going to take time. Copycat. Let's not pretend otherwise. The YU7 borrows heavily from the Ferrari Purosangue in terms of styling. Rear fender flare, muscular hips, coupe-like roofline. It's unmistakable. But if you're going to copy something, might as well copy a Ferrari. And make no mistake, this isn't just another flashy SUV. The YU7 could be a turning point in the EV arms race. Here's why. Tesla is no longer alone, and once loyal Model Y buyers are now being lured away by vehicles like the YU7. Faster, cheaper, and arguably more stylish. In fact, Tesla's China sales dropped nearly 18% this year, while Xiaomi EVs are exploding in popularity. Pressure on legacy automakers like Porsche, BMW, Audi, since they're being outpaced not just by Tesla anymore, but by tech companies with zero baggage. The YU7 is a warning shot. Innovate or be irrelevant. The smartphone and car future blurred lines are real, and Xiaomi is bringing its consumer electronics mindset to mobility. Fast iterations, sleek software, seamless integration. The YU7 is basically a smartphone you can sit in, with massage seats. And vertical integration means lower prices. Xiaomi doesn't just design the car, it builds the software, manages the supply chain, and connects it all to your ecosystem of gadgets. That means fewer middlemen, faster production, and lower costs. Now, about those comparisons to the Ferrari Purosangue. Yes, they're valid, and yes, Xiaomi knows it. The YU7's sweeping silhouette, flared rear, sculpted profile, and low-slung roofline are straight out of Ferrari's design book. It doesn't have a V12. It doesn't cost $400,000, but it looks the part. It may be a shameless knockoff, but it's also smart. Ferrari's design language sells dreams. Xiaomi just put one on the road for $35,000. So, let's recap. The Xiaomi YU7 is fast, affordable, beautifully designed, and packed with more tech than most living rooms. It's backed by one of China's biggest tech companies, and it's already outselling the competition in pre-orders. Sure, it borrows some looks from Ferrari, but under the hood and in the software, it's all Xiaomi. If this is the future of EVs, it's sleek, smart, and a little bit cheeky. Let us know in the comments. See you soon on Car Facts.